Matt, you ready? You ready to go? 11 a.m. departure.
Dressed, flights kind of packed.
Flood emergency tonight with fears of flooding not seen since the 1960s.
So if the bridges were closed and we needed to backtrack, there was no way that we would get to Moonan Flat before dark. It's pretty good. You can see the water line there. As it turned out, the water had well and truly dropped and there was no issue at all. In fact, it left us with a reasonably empty road all to ourselves. Next stop, Singleton. The potholes are the crazy. Gotta keep watching out for them. Alright, this is broke. Just hanging out on the road. The original plan was to get to Moonan Flat at around 6 p.m, which was about an hour before sunset. Now we're about half an hour behind schedule at the moment, so we're going to be arriving there right on dusk, which, if anyone knows anything about kangaroos, that's when they come out to feed, so risk is a bit higher then. So we're just going to have to take it easy and keep our eye out. Look out for the jumpy jumpies. Look out for those big heavy jumping ones. Harry seems to be limited to about 100 k's an hour is about where his bike's starting to feel uncomfortable. It just seems to be, I don't know whether it's just the weight on the back of it making the front really light, but it's just a bit unsettling. So everything was going great until Matt pulled me over because something was wrong.
Your bag's touching your chain.
Hey?
I'm pretty sure your bag is touching your chain.
Oh, yeah.
That's heaps over. Look at that. Fuck. I was stopping because his bag was falling off. Look at mine.
I just went past and I'm like, it was dodgy. It's not about to fall off, but it was pretty.
See, I was nice. I stopped to help Vern. None of you fuckers stopped me. You just laugh. Look at that. Oh, that is huge.
Yeah, that's
big.
a little bit better.
Does it?
Yeah, you definitely notice the difference there.
Yeah.
But
Well, it's 5 kilos and it's up high, but
yeah,
I think it's a combination of that and the bag.
oh, it's definitely these catching it, and it's just pulling the bike up because the front end just feels so loose.
Yeah. Because normally that would flow down your back and kind of push you along, but it's hitting this.
Yeah. Small tank, not much fuel, not much weight to the bike.
Yeah.
I think as to go, but I still like. I was getting up to 110 there, and then having to back off. You know, but that was better than that last bit.
I was just too impatient, just plodding along. The road just wants to go past me.
Don't feel bad.
What was happening?
This said fallen forward.
Oh, okay.
All right, good to go.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm looking at it thinking, fuck, it looks like it's down, but I couldn't quite remember if you had it down or not. And I'm thinking, fuck, that looks very close to this chain.
Yeah. No, thanks for that.
That's all right.
That's good.
Gave me an excuse how far I passed you in the tunnel. All right, let's get the fuck out of here.
Baron might have had a hole in his tent tonight.
Yeah, I know.
I gotta plug it back in when I get off.
That's what she said. I'll film you doing a flyby or a takeoff.
Or falling over.
Or falling over. That was almost gold, Vern.
Should we wait for him? Gotta get the shot, Matt. Gotta get the shot. Golden Highway. Bags are still there. Be a petrol station here somewhere. Should be one just up here on the right. There it is. Let's get some petroleum. I think we've lost a couple. They what? Ah. It was at Matt and Jeff, isn't it? I'll call him. Call Matt.
Sorry, I don't have a mobile number for matching Selena. Just to confirm, you'd like to
traffic getting out of Singleton. It is 5 or 5:15 now, so kind of is peak hour actually, but still hoping to get there before it gets too dark. One more stop at Musselbrook to top up those two we lost in Singleton, and then on to Moonan Flat from there. Between Singleton and Musselbrook Very boring. Very boring. Probably options if we had time to go side of the freeway, but we don't really have time now to find anything, so we're just following the freeway. And I didn't really see too many options on the maps from Singleton to Muswellbrook, but once you get to Muswellbrook, there seems to be a few options outside of the freeway. Quite a few nice roads actually, it looks pretty good. Maybe we'll check those ones out tomorrow on the way back. I don't think we're going to have time today. And you kind of miss too much of the stops, so the stops have all been a bit rushed. And you don't want to be rushing the stops, you want to enjoy the stops. Yeah, that's when you get to chat, just hang out, chill, relax. And if you're rushing it, it kind of takes away the whole point. So, not that it's been bad, but it's just, I think, next time maybe we won't rush it so much. Light's starting to get a bit low. The sun's behind the clouds at the moment. Kind of freaked me out for a second. I thought, shit, are we that far behind?
In the next episode...
How stunning is this?
How good was that?
Oh, that was amazing. That was insane.